Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If at all you are seeing my channel for the first time, then please do join my family and show some love, because it is going to be a lot of fashion, travel, lifestyle and much more, so you cannot afford to miss it. Do you want to look stylish effortlessly in those ethnic wear, even with your curves? Then this video is for you. I'm going to give you 8 pro tips which will definitely change your styling game. I promise I'll give you very easy styling tips and every one of you can effortlessly be stylish and elegant. I hope you love this video and stay tuned till the ending. Let us get into the styling hacks that I truly swear by and which also will be helpful. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. Also, if you want to promote your products in my channel free of cost, then you can either mail me or DM me on Instagram. The first tip, yes, monotones will make you look slimmer and it gives you that slimmer illusion. That way, if you're going with a solid pattern and darker colors, it gives more of a slimming illusion. That is the reason, many of the celebrities wear black, right? They are black because most of us, of course, one of the reasons is we love black color. And the second one, you'll definitely look slimmer than usual. Also go with the same set of kurta and bottom so that it will make you look taller. I'll keep the videos also here for your reference. Check them out. You need to avoid those overly printed patterns or overly heavy patterns which will make you look wider than your usual size. Now the second one. Yes, you need to opt for A-line kurtas or straight cut kurtas instead of the flary kurtas or the umbrella cut ones. A-line kurtas actually define the shape of your body, and in contrast the umbrella cut kurtas actually add more volume to your body, especially at the bottom, and it might make you look bulky. So you need to avoid them and choose A-line kurtas instead. I'll also post the videos of my styling here, you can have a look. So if you're trying to style for your office, and then it should be more of a casual look, right? So even these videos will be helpful for that as well, isn't it? I'll also give the links of the jewelry and also the dresses which I'm wearing in this video in the description box. You can check it out. Now the third tip. This is one of the very important tips and it literally changes the styling game. Oh yes, the neckline actually draws all the attention, so you need to be very careful while choosing it. You need to choose either V-neck or sweetheart necklines instead of going for round necklines, or even boat neckline is definitely a no-no. Most of us prefer to have round round neckline, but again it should be a little deeper rather than covering all your body. When you're going to a round neck or a boat neck necklines, it makes your shoulder look broad and you look a little bulky than usual. So avoid these and choose more of V-neck or sweetheart necklines. The fourth tip. Yes, now if we are talking about the prints, bulky prints, like heavy prints actually make you look bulkier. If at all you're going with vertical patterns and small prints, all the eyes attention will go up and down and it will make you look taller and also leaner. Yes, definitely the prints also plays a major role here. A big no-no to large patchworks or horizontal prints. And now the fifth one. Oh yes, you need to choose the right fabric. The fabric should be flowy and it should be like towards your body. It should not add volume to your body, right? It should not make you look bulky. You need to opt fabrics like chiffon, georgette rather than the Banaras or the stiff fabrics. That will make you again look taller and leaner. Raw silk, Banaras, these all fabrics are really stiff and adds volume to your. You need to avoid those and choose a flowy fabric. The next tip. This is one of my favorite tips. In every girl's wardrobe there should be either a black or a brown belt, even if it is a western frock, or if you're going to a monochrome look, then add a belt to it and just see the difference it makes. And that to go with the contrast one, so either black or brown, it actually goes with every outfit, even white, it actually goes with every outfit. So just go with the contrast one and change the drama. The seventh one. Yes, choosing the right pants again will definitely change the whole look. You know, the tight leggings are definitely a no-no these days, and that too if it just makes you look bulky. Go with straight cut pants or palazzos rather than going with a legging. See the difference. I'll also post my styling video here to make more sense. You need to also avoid those overly flared shararas and all unless it is really necessary, and it is actually if it is balancing the look, then that is fine, but try to avoid because it just gives that bulky look. Last tip for the video, the jewelry. Yes, if you have seen my previous videos, then you would see I would pair more of heavy earrings and very minimal neck piece. It actually avoids the crowding of the neckline, long earrings and a side partitioned hair. It actually works amazing for almost all the looks. And also wait, if you're also looking for the heels over here, actually these are the very comfortable heels. I also got these from Meesho. I generally pair these heels to most of my ethnic outfits and they really go very well. So you can also check out for the links. So there you go. How did you find my video? I have given all the practical tips and the best examples I know I am aware of. If you also have any other ideas, do comment on this video. But remember girls, style is not about the size. It's about knowing what works for you. And you also know whom all to share this video, right? Also do comment in the video which pro tip that you swear by. That's it for this video. Until the next video, stay confident, stay stylish and stay you. Bye bye. If you have come so far, I know my video has definitely added a value. So don't forget to subscribe and miss me until my next video.